Stock number 40302B. It's a 2019 Chevy Equinox. It does have a key and it does not start. It's got front end damage. Radiator support's bent. Pretty sure the radiator and the fan. The radiator's damaged. It's bent into the fan. There's a little dent right here. There's a dent right here. Surface scratches right there. A little parking lot ding right there on the driver back door. A little parking lot ding on the driver door. Got a parking lot ding right here. You got a bend right there on the driver's side front fender. The steering wheel airbags deployed. The roof airbags, left roof airbags deployed. The right roof airbags deployed. The driver and passenger seat belts are locked. It does have a key. It does not start. It's the driver's side visor. There's the glove box. Here is the center console. There's the passenger side rearview mirror. Back passenger side, driver. Again, this is stock number 40302B to 2019 Chevy Equinox.